We're sometimes asked, why would a developer pay more to borrow from capital property funds than from a bank? We fund high quality and experienced developers and become partners in the development process. We're there to help the project come to completion quickly and efficiently. Our borrowers tell us that CPF enables them to generate greater profit. By having loans settled quickly, they can complete the project sooner and realise greater profits.
Due to delays, we've had to go through a refunding process. With capital property funds, it's been a simple process, where if we had to go through that with a traditional bank, may have been more complicated.
I like the fact that they were a smaller outfit. Previously, I had done loans through the big commercial banks. I like the fact that they were a bit more flexible, a bit easier to put a name to a face, like Joe, for example.
Often banks will require pre-sales to justify the loan.
Having to achieve a high threshold of pre-sales puts time constraints on the project, which has a cost in itself, so there's holding costs. It also has a physical cost in the sense that we're not just sitting here paying interest on the land or holding costs on the land now waiting for sales to happen before we can trigger the construction funding. Instead of paying those monies up front, you're paying in the rate along the way.
Our experience has shown that typically developers achieve a better sales price once the development has been completed. We see our arrangement with our borrowers as a true investment. We want them to do well so that our clients do well. This approach is a proven model for success. By working with a lender that is able to understand the project at a realistic level and can navigate through the computer says no roadblocks, our borrowers can commence and complete their projects sooner and more profitably. That's why our borrowers keep coming back.
We've got nearly 30 unsettled contracts at the moment, which means that stages 3 and 4 are fast running out of land, and those that have invested there will probably have their money back sometime this year. And we'll be hoping that they'll invest again in stages 5, 6 and 7, because we're going to have to ramp up production to stay in line with demand at the moment.